Alright everybody, the first thing you want to do is open up your Google web browser, and then we're going to be doing a special type of search called a site search that will only show you index pages for the domain name that you enter. To do this type of search, you'll type in site, S-I-T-E, colon, and then the domain you'd like to search. In today's example, we're going to use callcleanprofirst.com. The reason why I chose callcleanprofirst.com is I built the site and I'm very familiar with all the links that I made for the site. Now, after hitting enter, you'll see all the index pages that Google offers for this domain. Now, quickly scanning all the index pages, you can see a couple things pop out. I see some duplicates and I see some pages that just don't make any sense. The Google search index is like generated by a robot, so sometimes they get things wrong and they index pages that really don't exist. It's our job as a SEO manager to kind of go back and clean up these errors that Google indexes. Now, the first thing that I notice is there's two fire damage pages. So by quickly looking at them, I can tell that one must be a broken link and the other one's probably correct. So I'll need to click on both of these links to make sure that they each reside to a real page on the website. All right, we clicked on the first link and it looks like it's a real link to the website. We're going to need to go back and check the other link that Google indexed. All right, we're going to click on this second link right here. And I can already tell that this link is broken. It doesn't really go to a real page on the website. So we're going to need to fix this. So the easiest way to fix this is you use your .htaccess file. The best way to describe what a .htaccess file is a configuration file that can help do some settings with how people navigate through the website. All right, let's get started and do our first example. So we're going to click on this broken link right here. And we're going to copy over the path and not the domain, just the path. We're going to copy that over. We're going to go back to our .htaccess file. We're going to type in redirect 301 and paste the path to the web page. And now we're going to need to add the correct web page or the correct URL that this page needs to go to. So we're going to copy over the domain and then we're going to type in the correct page. Now we're going to save this file. We're going to re-upload it to the domain. And then we're just going to hit refresh and it should go to the proper page that we want it to go to. And there you got it. Basically, we're saying that if anybody visits our website at this URL, we want it to redirect and go to this URL. Now, over time, Google will stop indexing this page because we have told Google that it has moved to this other page. And before we leave, let's do another example. So on this link right here, we see that it somehow indexed a URL with the word phone in it. So go ahead and copy over that path. We're going to paste it into our .htaccess file. We're going to copy redirect 301, basically saying we're going to redirect any visitors to this page. And we're going to send it to its proper page, which is the whole domain plus firedamage.html. We're going to go ahead and save that, re-upload it. Once it gets uploaded, let's go back and visit, hit refresh. And there you have it. We fixed that index page as well. So I went ahead and made a list of all the broken links that Google indexed of my website. And what we're going to do is we're just going to upload them all together to kind of save time in this example. So I found all the broken links. We're going to go ahead and save this file. And then we're going to re-upload it to our website. We're going to go back to Google and we're going to slowly go through and check every link that Google indexed to make sure it goes to the proper page we wish those links to go to. Now, it might seem like it's a little time consuming going and checking every link, but for Google and SEO standards, it's a priority to make sure that you don't have any broken links that are indexed in Google, which can actually hurt your SEO. Now, this completes our tutorial on how to fix broken links on your website that Google's indexed. And if you need help discovering broken links or fixing the broken links that you've discovered on your own website, then you can always contact me at theunis.com, or you can comment in this video's description. I'll be sure to get back to you shortly.